Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
My viewers and subscribers, it has come to my attention that this young lady that you see up there and this picture has been missing. She has been missing, I think, about maybe 2 days now. She has been missing. I didn't get her name, but she's from Vineyard Town, my viewers and subscribers. If anybody have seen this young lady, they said she was last seen in her uniform also. So if anybody know this young lady, have seen her anywhere, please to contact the nearest police station. A man narrowly escaped death on Tuesday after being shot in the face by his co-worker at Sutherland District in St. James. When I hear them, something I know my viewers and subscribers, wanna ask for the news, so I have to give it to you. Boy, this non-stop, sister, this non-stop. It just get worse each and every day. The shooting, the killing, everything is just getting worse. Gang members have raided a key community in Haiti's capital that is home to numerous police officers and has been under siege for 4 days in an ongoing attack, with residents fearful of the violence spreading throughout Port-au-Prince. The pop of automatic weapons echoed throughout Solino on Thursday as thick columns of black smoke rose above the once peaceful neighborhood, where frantic residents kept calling radio stations asking for help. My viewers and subscribers, them a gang in a Haiti, Them serious like Judge, that even serious like Judge Judy. They serious than Judge Judy. It's a serious thing going in Haiti, This is why you see all the Haitians, them have fled and have come here. Well, them have jump on boat and have come here and have come to Jamaica. You understand? This is why you see the Haitians, them have come to Jamaica. Because they fear for them life. Them scared. You understand? Nobody no one dead. So that's why you see them a try to come into our country and they need a place to stay. So boy, I don't know really a go on. This no look good at all in a Haiti. But wanna tell me what you think about this? Well, my viewers and subscribers, I'm getting some news that the siblings that was buried from the Westmoreland area, the person that killed them has been killed by police. I'm not sure if I saw it go exactly, but when I read the article, that's what it said. It said the 2 men that buried the siblings, that killed the siblings and buried them, has been killed by police. So I'm taking the clip here.
Me figure that as me when we hear the first 2 remember that sound like a man come to man. Then we hear the other shot them to say alright, that sound
So that's the scene where the whole incident happened. So a reputed gangster who the police claim was implicated in the killing and video recording burial of a pair of siblings in Westmoreland is one of the 2 men who were killed in a running gun battle with the police in St. Catherine on Thursday. Sources have disclosed he has been identified only as Gang Bang, who police sources claim was a prolific contract killer. My viewers and subscribers, when I hear all them something, a serious thing a go on. So, when I hear what the police have to say, and I see the clip. So, when tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Former Member of Parliament Julian Silvera leaving the major investigation division in handcuff to spend the night in jail. He is expected to be questioned tomorrow in relation to the murder of his wife, Melissa Silvera. My viewers and subscribers, hey, boy, you know say what go on, you know. Me I go show a video clip. Them putting me in a handcuff and pair things. So indefinitely I spend the night in a jail. You see, the way how me hear Fitzbailey say I do things transparent, yeah. As some did want him to do the transparent same way with Paul, but that never happened. Yeah, it is alleged that Paul and Andrew Holness them a friend, and Paul, it is alleged Philip Paulwell is an undercover labor right. It is alleged, and me say so. You understand? Me get this a news here from them owner source. Hear what me I say. It is alleged. Here, my Andrew Holness a friend. This is why you see all know Paulwell cannot get locked up. It is alleged, even though they know that him is a part of it, it is alleged that they can lock him up because him and Andrew Holness a friend. And me say so. And the sources say so. Also, who remember the killing that happened with Andrew Holness lawyer Patrick Bailey? Because me I go back, you know, me I drag on the memory, you know. Who remember Patrick Bailey when he claimed that when he reached home, the man dead in his house and he don't know it was his gardener die in his home, and all know Patrick Bailey and get locked up for that. It is alleged that a Patrick Bailey, which is Andrew Holness lawyer, are the one that Killed the man that was in his house, the man that was found dead in his house. It is alleged that it is Patrick Bailey that Killed the man. So you see how me hear them talk about transparent, yeah? I saw enough to be transparent on all cases, not on some cases, yeah? Me like the move I want to make with this case here. I like this move, but I want same way. You see the same way how you arrest this man in a handcuff. So I cannot wait to see the day when you arrest and handcuff Andrew Holness for the whole of the money when you rob up all the taxpayer when you rob up for the Jamaican people, him and 40 cronies. I cannot wait to see. You see all of them something will happen. Listen, my viewers and subscribers, you see all of this will happen. Because me I wonder how comes them never realize that then? How comes they never get all them sufficient information then? But they get it now. And then read between the lines. It come out in the article also that Andrew Holness is not going to bother turn Portland in a 15 parish. He changed his mind. After a sudden he changed his mind. Listen, you say Andrew Holness, his skill and his smart. I think Andrew Holness just going to change his mind just like that, and nothing behind that. He up to something. Yeah? So this is what I'm saying. They never know so the man. They never have the sufficient information with Julian Silvera, but they have it now. Yeah? Read between the lines. They know what they all doing. They know what they all doing with this. Yeah? They might try to embarrass the opposition side. Also, when you listen to what me I say, I'm not saying listen to what me I say. If the man do it, if you go down. But when me I say, how them just a find out, listen, when I read between the lines, them just a find out all of that. No. Philip Paulwell case, I tell you about it already. Philip Paulwell case, it is alleged that he has something to do with it also. How comes I know when I see no arrest for Philip Paulwell? Everybody know what is going on. It is alleged that he has something to do with it. It is Paulwell's turn. On saying that, I told you guys that from owner source, from good source, Paulwell Andrew Holness a big friend. This is why you see when Palwell in the House of Parliament and them did a put up their hand and a vote for Juliet Holness to turn Madam Speaker. He was the only one from the PNP side that put up his hand because I'm a big friend. You understand? Something in a something. Something all right, my viewers and subscribers. However, I'm going to show you guys the video clip with the husband, Julian Silveira. All right? He's the former MP of PNP. The former MP. So I'm going to take in the video clip here.
Cancel.
Drunk good person, is that, bro?
So my viewers and subscribers, yes, straight to jail he gone. From him do the crime, if he do the time. Yeah? And that's how we want if we go for every politician or ex-politician, including the one them where thief up a taxpayer money. I can't wait for the day for Andrew Holness. There's someone want to see him in a handcuff too. The Nigel Clark, someone want to see him in a handcuff too. Horace Trang, someone want to see him in a handcuff too. Because whole heap of things them do. You understand? Mark Goldin, you need to open up your eye. Yes, open up your eyes. As someone want to see, that me want to see happen. Same way me want to see the whole of them in a handcuff. Same way. And you have fixed bail, you say I'm transparent. I'm just asking this question, were you so transparent with the Philip Palwell case? I don't think so. I do not think so. Because if Philip Palwell was questioned, we never see that. This is the man that is called Patrick Bailey, the lawyer of Andrew Holness. So this happened from 2016, my viewers and subscribers. So the police say they have not closed their probe into the murder of a man 4 years ago at the St. Andrew home of prominent attorney Patrick Bailey. Jermaine Jr., a 51-year-old construction worker, was found with stab wounds and a single gunshot wound to the head in the attorney's living room on September the 30th, 2016. This is Andrew Holness' lawyer. Let me read more. In an update on the case on Monday, February the 1st, at a police press conference, Deputy Commissioner of Police, the DCP in charge of crime, Fix Bailey, said the probe into the killing is ongoing. Well, the Mata Junior murder case is ongoing. It is not yet closed, but the truth is we go by the evidence, and I don't think we have the adequate amount of evidence to advance a criminal prosecution at this time, he disclosed. This is Fix Bailey. Hear more. Ever since I took over the portfolio, this is Fix Bailey saying this, we have had quite a number of case reviews. We have actually done several lines of inquiries, but at this point, we don't have the evidence to mount a criminal prosecution. Bailey added, police reports at the time suggested that Bailey stumbled on the body shortly after 4 a.m. in his living room, and the police were alerted. When I hear them something, I know my viewers and subscribers. You see all that Monday when him Patrick Bailey, all him figure prison too. All him that the Monday. Listen, that man is Andrew Holness' lawyer. That man the figure prison too, because you can't just stumble up a body in a your own house and you don't know nothing. But the thing is, when I realize, only some people they have certain evidence for. You have some people, they don't have all of the evidence, but they still lock them up. This in this case, they don't have all of the evidence, but they lock up this person, But some people they don't have all of the evidence and they lock them up. You understand? All that the man they figure jail too, Patrick Bailey, because it is alleged that him do it. It is alleged it's stinking at the street, and it is alleged. Likewise, Philip Palwell, it is alleged that he has something to do with his baby mother. And me say so, it is alleged. You understand? I don't know how going on, my people. I have to use my term, it is alleged, because I me say so. Yeah? But these are the things when me are showing us. So, Fix Bailey say he's transparent in that case. I want you to continue to be transparent. Likewise, in a Noel Donnelly case, my viewers and subscribers, and understand when me are showing you, I want Fix Bailey to be transparent from now on. Him always say him saying transparent, but we want to see it now. We want to see we see the transparent with this with Mr. Silvera. We want to continue to see the transparency. Else me I go call you out on this. We want to see the transparency from no one moving forward. From now on, we want to see the transparency with every single person. Transparency with every single thing that happen when it come to the public officials them. Not only for some, for all of the officials them. You understand me? So my viewers and subscribers, there we no go. So this man, then lock him up now. And basically, we're just waiting for more update to hear what go on. Because on here we Fix Bailey say already, him say a transparency him a deal with. You understand? Because we want to know what I go on from what I go on moving forward. So now tell me what you think. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. You don't have to agree with me, you know. But you can put on the thoughts. Let me see what on the headspace there. All right? Anyway, I'm going to show a clip with Lisa Anna. So you know, say Lisa Anna, she come out and she explain certain things. Hear this.
Natural competitive advantage in terms of culture and the creative industry. We just naturally, we can do things better than other people in terms of dance and music. We got a dead yard band in rural areas. Nobody learned to play classical music. So we have a natural talent for that. We have a natural talent for welcoming people, but we haven't gone into retirement tourism, for instance. So what has happened is that we still keep doing the same things the same way for a very long time. And we didn't prepare our labor market for globalization, one, but also two, no, we haven't prepared it for automation. So many of the factories that even exist in Jamaica, I saw recently one bakery that is a state-of-the-art bakery. It won't be using a lot of employees because it is all automated. And the conversation that we need to be having with our Jamaican people are, here are the jobs that are going to become available, because we're reorienting our labor market, because these are the areas that we are going to go all in to compete globally. Exports of value-added agriculture is one. How are we training our farmers to plant more in a particular way? Are we going head to head with Tabasco internationally? Why don't we have more Walker's Woods, more spur trees? And then teach our people that, look, you can plant in this area more pepper because you're good at planting pepper, but I also need the chemists. I need those people in the factories. So we are going to incentivize you to go to school, because in the next 2 years, we're going to have 5,000 jobs in this area. That will transform people's thinking. Jamaica has a